Take a ride in the 2024 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, center armrest, 8 speakers, clock, fog lights, security alarm, trip computer, compass, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.